Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forward from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 25th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was more of the same today. That combination of optimism and momentum just continues to push these markets higher. The Dow today up 140 points, while the S&P 500 managed to gain about 2 points or so. Not that big of a deal. The Nasdaq actually dropped about 3 points, but the Russell gained another 2. A lot of this had to do with good news from the earnings front. Early this morning, before market open, Caterpillar reported and beat handily. They initially dropped, but then recovered strongly. 3M as well. 3M beating estimates this morning. And then we had another slew of earnings reports after market close as well. SBUX today reported, and they came in a penny better. Intel blew earnings away as well. Intel's up about 3%. Let me just get rid of these lines. I was drawing trend lines on a different time frame earlier, but Intel after market close is up almost 4%. And Western Digital also reporting earnings after market close and beat. Now, every once in a while you'll get a news story like we did today on Tesla, and that may sound very negative. Earlier today, there was a report that employees are talking about the chaos happening inside Tesla and how that will more than likely result in further delays for the Model 3, which the market has really been waiting for, which did cause the stock to sell off here, down a little over 8 points today. But this is something that usually what we see is technicals actually, coming out ahead of that news story. In other words, the news story helps push the stock down exactly to where we want to see it in order to get a proper technical buy signal. And right now, you can see that we do have slight momentum higher here, that slope on that 20 on the daily, as this makes an orderly move towards it. So a bit more downside here coming into that 330-ish level, and a reversal signal would be a buying opportunity there. If you look at the weekly chart, there is downward momentum here. But what we've done is move from one side of that moving average to the other, and now we're coming back to retest it. And should we hold, then we'll probably see a move back up to these highs at 389. And looking at the monthly chart here, this in itself already looks like a buying opportunity. So at first glance, the story sounds very negative, and it could turn out to be. I mean, this drop could turn out to be much greater than we think here. But if it gets close to that 20 and reverses and gives us a proper reversal signal, then, from a negative story, we actually go to an environment where we have a bullish setup on our hands. So always look at the technicals. Don't just read the news and jump, on the story, but have a look at the technicals. More often than not, the trend and the momentum will definitely win out in the end. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.